My brother Thomas Ado, you see, I say Abuja and Lagos. Nobody say the difference too much. Abuja and Benin, nobody say the difference too much. Just say the federal capital. I tell you now, I will start the program. Say here for Abuja as of yesterday, 47 seed of granite, that be 50 naira. And they tell you because we count them granite now. So now part of the things we want to talk about here for Abuja Network Station, because the hungry don't do too much, and our president they don't do 1 year in office. Now make me bring a person we don't, if a politician he don't rise for politics, reach former national chairman of IPAC. Now they call them Inter-Party Advisory Council. I've been so that team.
I feel they call us.
His name na Peter. Amen. I be this so. I say so. When I say today, we go talk here from Abuja Network Station, and I believe so we will proffer solutions and suggestions to the administration. Make them pick from and use work. Good morning.
Good morning, Nigerians, and good morning.
We don't come from. President don't do 1 year in office, and then when they come, they promise us many things. Not like politicians, they promise many things. You don't promise many things, and from your assessment, how you see 1 year in office? We just last week many things.
For this year, president 1 year office, people don't stand well again. Leg don't bend. Because the president, they come where they say, your mandate we shall stand.
Yes.
Food price don't stand for that mandate. I'm telling you, everything don't go up. And this one are because president make mistake. When they want sworn in, he no say when you don't be chief executive of the country, and you don't because now you be your pata for all of them all. Say if you know your word well for mouth, anything will fall down for your mouth, don't become policy. It become problem for our people. So president supposed to sit down with a team first of all, enter government, see the books where they live for them, read them, check or investigate what you with like within 2 to 3 weeks. Then after I don't do all those investigation, we don't look inside the book well. If you come wake up, come say, I won't do this, I won't do that, I won't do this. But say even outside where you the campaign, you will know what you promise the people. You will go to look at the indices of what the government they do, waiting they show for paper where government they perform badly. So now those things you will take formulate your own program and manifesto where you want to do help our people. So but on the day when they inaugurate our president can go sharp say no remove fuel subsidy. He no do programs, he no get plan, he no structure and well. He no put up the way we say this is why I want remove so. Waiting if we can't cause problem, waiting I go take checkmate. You no do anything.
Like you as a politician, how would you be president for that subsidy matter? What you?
What do you do? Somebody don't do it before. Jonathan do it for 2012. Nigeria no break. Nigeria no suffer like this. Before then, the president will go today, come make sure say the thing no work because of politics. Because what you do, say this CNG bus is what they promise for 1 year, no one day road. If you don't make sure say like each state, this money where you carry go give governor, where you give them say about something billion, where say give governor to solve poverty for state, where go give governors. These are governors where they just sabi manage money. Where go carry the money give them. If I just look all those money, put the money together well, then say like every state will put 100 CNG buses. First of all, make them go for ground. And all this food, they say they will get how many listing of silos of grains for our reserve. We first release those one, but I'm not sure say those things they share, but I waiting them in time because they want import now. So we just arrange those things. So when you release that thing, private entities will want increase fuel transportation costs, they no go take advantage of the situation. So now you don't have to solve the problem of the masses where they work, where they suffer, where they go work for 30,000, they go work for 40,000 naira. Their transport disappear. Within that month alone, their money enter, all their salary enter transport. So government not do what it's supposed to do for ground before it come. But when the government come in, promise us saying they do 100 hectares of land for farming before every state. Where they don't start?
Now, that one, you know, since that governors then get supposed to propel.
No, now waiting president, waiting they get Ministry of Agriculture for now. Ministry of Agriculture now just the chunker policy. We know they do export groundnut and palm oil. We go need those programs now. Government get enough money to do all these things now. Because one of the things that you go do to solve Nigerian problem now to put money for their pocket. Yes. So if you want to put money for their pocket, you go look for program where you say it go be productivity for connection. So that if you go farm, the thing will germinate, it will grow. if they talk to money, so they don't lose anything. So that when government people pack those things and buy them, and then you give people money as off-takers, then people go to get money for their pocket. That is the kind of program so you're supposed to concentrate on. Not the program where we say, now people wait for government, they benefit. They go to buy motor. They do car park for National Assembly for 13 billion. They buy motor for presidency 1.5 billion. They transport for only president and Mr. Vice President alone for the last 3 months. Now 8.64 billion. And I mean they tell you this money no be small money. We no get school for public school.
That day when you don't reach the level before for even you see that level now. Will be former IPAC. You still get level with those same people, politicians. You get any provision, you get any place for una to fit advise a sitting president?
You see, you know the way democracy dey structure. They do am. Yeah. They everywhere in the world. They do am everywhere. Wey be say opposition go dey get im own say, but people wey get for government they go dey get say and they go dey do am. And then they go dey open their ear make something wey people dey talk for public dey enter. Because people wey dey around our government, most of them na psychopaths, na praise singers, and they be spineless book lickers. They go dey praise government or your mandate we shall stand. You dey do well. They go dey lie for am. That's why people need president or governors wey fit engage society. Yeah. Wey no go dey isolated, wey go hide for inside those places. Then go dey enjoy those things wey government. Then supporters go dey lie for am. If you say president enter market, see say groundnut na 47 pieces they dey sell now.
No be lie o.
No be naira. How many dey sell atarugu? How much dey sell tomato? Tomato one basket now na 150,000. How many wey dey take big house now? Wey my papa take big house now? 150,000 be that. So the kind of inflation wey don chop, that inflation be say na im be the thing wey be say e dey happen when president first remove first something. They dey call am cost push inflation. Inflation wey dey arise as a situation wey be say because of the thing wey you dey take dem dey take do your work don increase. So the person wey dey wan do the work for you go increase the own cost too. So na be the problem. So government no go just wake up do something wey no prepare how Nigerians go take affect im people. Government no be for himself now. Government na for the people now. Yeah. E suppose be for the people. Yes. But for Nigeria no be for the people.
Who come get?
No, government think say na dem get Nigeria. So Nigeria must dey lis ten to them. That's why we dey hear say I give una borehole, I give una road. No, you no give us anything. Na our money. You no give anything. Na we get money. Na we say make you come apply for job. We come employ you.
The airport manager.
So the thing wey this government suffer for now because they were looking for make their how they go take stamp their they say na dem win election. So now make dem dey hurry. They do wetin they dey call policy wey dey somersault. They know for one break they dey always say policy wey dey do sangalo.
No, we just give sangalo like you play for no, we just wait small. We'll give them another more time. We'll check. But to get wetin I wan ask, market na the same market now all of us. One market. But now Labour dey say make government increase their wage so that they increase their salary. Okada man dey put ear for a small radio, dey wait for the increment. Market women dey put ear for ground, dey wait for the increment. But this increment now, e no affect private sector. I don't know wetin you get to talk about that now. With suggestion wey you for give government because private sector too na human beings dey work for them. Security man na human being.
The problem with the minimum wage act na law. This thing wey they do so after they do a National Assembly dey pass am to law. They go bring minimum wage bill. When the National Assembly pass am, president sign, it go become an act. And that act na law e be. So they no fit change am. So when private sector dey use sense dey tell people say e no dey affect them na because they no wan pay their workers so. Especially all those people wey dey for Nigeria. Look, people dey think say na to dey make more profit, make workers dey suffer, na be the main thing. That's wetin dey worry our private companies. But you know say e no be profit matter. If you dey get small profit because people wey dey work for you dey dey happy, company go dey go forward. They go dey do well. You no go get any yamayama wey go happen inside. And you no go dey people go dey say this our oga na good our company that they dey treat us well, their human resource dey do well, so we go do well too. So the problem with our people be say they dey think profit, they no dey think human capital development and benefit wey go happen to their worker. So this law is not only for government workers alone. This law suppose to affect everybody, but the Okada people they no suppose to go dey increase price. Market women no suppose because their price wey increase na as a result of fuel increment because of where they buy fuel. So the person wey dey bring tomato dey come from Brunu come say okay before I dey transport from Benin dey come here with 30,000. That's why they fit sell the tomato at 50,000 per basket. But now the transport dey come with 80,000 naira. So I no go fit sell tomato at 30,000, 50,000. I go increase am so that I go fit relieve that transport cost, labor cost, production cost, and maybe other miscellaneous expenses wey people no know. So na wetin dey cost things to increase. But for make dem increase salary, make person wey be say the thing no go affect am go increase, e no dey good for country. E go spoil our country.
So wetin government go fit do now to fit make sure say dem fit control these prices to market level? Because this wetin you dey talk so now, na here you dey talk am.
I know as Nigeria dey work. I know as e dey work.
Person, I dey one place where I wan buy beans for my wife tell me say beans na 2,000. So that one na last week I no believe am. So I dey buy am for some kind quantity. Now I go market myself. I dey there wey she dey wait one or do make receive call. He say no, it's not 2,400. My president there, he changed it to 2,400. So I suppose buy like 12. That mood.
If you make another call, it will be 4,000.
I don't see that kind of how the fit take? I don't go market the guy. So how the fit control this? Is it possible? So we fit control price of things for Nigeria?
You see, say the problem be say people wey dey for public, they no believe say government dey work for their good. That is everybody wey dey government, they go dey chop money. So government must show say themselves dey responsible. Do you understand? Make e be say dem no dey inflate contract. Dem no dey do wetin dem dey call how they call it embezzlement. Dem no dey carry contract money put for pocket. They need to dey provide amenities, because if government start to dey work well, if government start to dey work well, make I tell you, we have about 36,000 kilometers of federal road also. We have that road, none of them dey work. If people dey travel, they go from here to Akoko Edo, they go Igala land, they go Igala land, they go my side, and they go fear. They go say no, make we no dey do something wey go spoil government, make government progress. But people no trust government, and because of that, government sef no get the how they call it wey fit take talk to people like Ministry of Orientation, wey go fit talk to people say abeg go, this salary wey dey increase na for your own people. Your brother go dey inside go benefit, your uncle go benefit, your husband fit benefit. So you no suppose go dey say because they increase somebody salary to 100,000, your kind money wey you dey carry somebody from here to Maitama Junction don increase. E no make sense. E just e no make sense.
But you know say Nigeria here dey feel say when we reach our turn to benefit. But you talk something yes wey dey inflate contract. You be politician. If for instance now you say one contest, let's say you wan contest for governor that time for Kogi State, you say one contest, person come bring like 1 billion naira, say Chief Peter, I support you with this 1 billion. Another person come, Chief Peter, I support you with 500 million. But the Nigerian politics na money be. You understand? So how that kind of person, how you go three compensate am back politically?
You see the issue, na issue of trust. I dey always dey talk am. You see for First Republic and Second Republic, people dey sell tomato for market, they sell pepper, they sell groundnut, they give money to Action Group and Co. You understand? Small money. Na that money they gather. Even for South Africa, for Europe, na the small money dues and contribution wey people see goodwill.
When they trust the person wey they call.
Yes, now they make up candidates. So no ownership. But the problem with the day to day, you understand? Now because people no trust people wey wan go government. That is, if you think say they contest now, they say wan go make your own money too. So because of that, no trust. So for people wey dey bring big money, you're not supposed to be collector. Make election just dey free. Make election dey credible. Even when money dey more loud for politics, wey be say dey speak grammar, plenty grammar with money for politics. Now because election no dey free, no dey fair, and people don dey lose interest for the process. People no get confidence say if they go vote for Mr. B now, that vote go count. Do you understand? So if election dey free, election because of election dey go down one. Because now you go need to give somebody money to go do this one. You give this one money. Now make plenty money there for politics.
Yes.
If person they tell you just all of you to do for EFF for South Africa, if they wan do rally for stadium, now the people they bring themselves come by themselves. Now the people when they come their t-shirt today wey they don that party don pay.
I wan talk for Nigeria.
No, people go dey buy am.
You go make your t-shirt.
They go buy the t-shirt make them show that they fit contribute. They go buy cap. They go buy mug. So that money wey they buy, small profit dey inside. Then they go the party account. So the party dey make money. But for Nigeria here, now you go do t-shirt o. Now you go do the. In fact, if you no get credit card, you know wetin dey call. They no dey talk say you no get. They say you no get capacity. If you no fit do physical, if you no fit carry plenty motor wey go dey waka follow you for back, if you no fit carry plenty boys, If you no fit get t-shirt dey share, they say no get capacity. They no dey talk say no get intellect. Nothing concern them with intellect. That is why we are in this problem. That's why we dey get people wey be say dem dey come government, dem no know wetin dem go do. Na only money dem fit steal. All dem know about government na thief. All dem know about government na money. But government dey beyond money. Government dey about resource management. Government dey about resource generation. That's why we go get so we dey sell so much resources for this country. Wey be say if you carry Americans come here, they will carry us go America. Now we go dey beg to come back because dem dey use that resources take turn here to obodo oyibo. But the problem we get, we no dey concentrate say this person get sense well for our community. Before for my one the way I comot from, people don market women don gather money put for basin, send person make you go become army officer. Market women, the person became an army officer because he dey brilliant well, but parents no get money. Na the kind community wey we suppose return to. People dey gather money dey sponsor people. Inside market day they go come, they go gather the money. Na im dey take send those people wey come become senior officer for my place. Wey be say na long story, I no wan just mention their name. Na history wey dey my place. So that was when trust dey with people. But the person wey dey send go, he remember the people. Na problem. He say people send am message make he kill himself. So people trust go dey die. If there must be level of communication with people wey dey don employ you. Because if you look for job as governor, you wan be senator, you wan be house of rep, na employment you dey look for. No be say you go come go there, your own salary go be 30 million, your salary go be 30,000 minimum wage.
Na 30.
So you know 30.
But you dey talk about all these things. You know see na the problem wey we dey get as a country. You know see political parties and then they cause this thing. Because now from there, now all the candidates, the governors, the senators, the House of Reps members, they come out from. But no one cause this down the politicians.
Me, I believe that this thing they cost, and politicians they cost, and not the political party. Because for 1999, when we start this democratic dispensation, people can't believe say people will come government go get interest of the people. So when they come enter government finish, you know what they can't do? They can't get interest of themselves. They will abandon their own party. So now that's why you can't see their party no can't get supporters. Because everybody do, if you go for 5 party now, they contest for state. One now they get governor now. The rest they get governor. Yeah. When they want to go campaign for the people, that way they governor go carry party government money, they spend for people. The other 3 go they explain. They say, explanation no they buy tomato. So our people must look themselves and say, look, me I don dey position before where I don contest election for House of Rep. My people supported me well. I no go tell you lie. They no leave you die for street. People dey. No be say Nigerians no dey see better thing at all. They dey see. But that system, the way they don work the system don dey too bad. Wey be say if we no stand our feet for ground, this Nigeria wey we dey hold on to, they go scatter am for us. Because people are very self-centered. I dey tell you, if you dey think say people for government dey come save us, we dey lie o. We need to also save ourselves. I'm telling you the truth. I got friends very well now for high places now. I dey tell you, somebody don even tell me for this last 3 weeks, say this your advocacy wey you dey do for 20 years, we dey lis ten to you. Just find your way, enter somewhere, make something happen for you. See, e dey tiring, I no go tell you this one wey dey do. It's not for anything. I be dey my house now. I wake up early in the morning, come here. But dey blow AC, dey relax, watch TV small. But the thing should be say, this Nigerian problem, me, I grow for small community. And that community, they call am, you know, where we dey before. We don't know language, we don't know tribe, we don't know religion. I grew for barrack. We were so lovely. In fact, at the enter mosque, go greet my friends, Yakubu Labaran and co. They go follow me, go catechism for Catholic Church. We go they do. Now when I come, they see say that was between that time, even Open 93 when Abiola contest. You know see what happened? Abiola went for Kano, Yoruba man. He went for everywhere. Tough and Kano. But today, what about scatter? They would ask you whether you are from Ogun State, whether you are from Osun, whether you are from Kogi. People will ask that kind of question. What it concern you whether the man na Idoma? What it concern you whether the man na Aisha? What it concern you? The thing that concern you is the man who do work, if you do something wey go repair Nigeria or repair your state or your local government, na what is supposed to be worrying you?
You just talk now, make me talk about it. Those states, they won't be elections, and the politicians. For those, some people they say Benin side, which is the south, don't produce well. Auchi side, Oshomole don't come out. Central, people never to come out like that. You understand? For your own capacity now, you don't grow for politics. What you feel say you're supposed to select or choose people in the government place? Now through zoning or that person will get the knowledge
You see, I dey use my state as example. I use Galaman. I no come Bello disappoint. I no come support Bello again because he can't disappoint us. But the fact is that since they create Kogi State, Nigeria people dey for government now. You don't go Igala land. That's how the place be. No, I don't want to because I say tears fall from my eye. The poverty. Because the people who come government na themselves, they know. Somebody even talk say, this person, another person for governor, person don't do governor before, except my picking. I don't tell you this thing don't happen. People they hear come from my side, they know the person, but they don't need to mention name. So when you talk of whether the person come from Megara land, or he come from Akoko Edo, or he come from how they call it Ishan, or he come from Benin, they concern me. They bother me. I will tell you my story as I grow up. I grew up with friends. When they say we don't help ourselves, we don't come from the same place, we don't come from the same religion. But we know say this thing to help, now to do the right thing. They need to look for person who get good conscience. They need to look for person who get intellect, maybe that capacity where they come money, maybe that capacity where they call say they na road politician. He don't dey self for long. No, the person don't do well. Is the person they work against the people or they work for the people. Now what we do when we dey federal road for other states now. I go some time ago. To come from there to come to the town, it was hell for me. I was in that vehicle. If I going back, we have to be passing inside community to be able to get back.
For the Edo State.
I went there to see a friend. So it's painful that people don't care all political parties get the same power. If you want, no party see another party. Now the same thing when you put for hand, when you talk, now they count, now they senior party. Not the party himself, because all party, the way they take format for section 223 for our own constitution, for 229, now say all parties are equal. And there's no discrimination among parties. So the level where you supposed to, the person where they give party level, now the people. Now the people supposed to give party level, and that's why we keep on asking. If our election not dey free, if they go to intervene for our electoral process in the way they take the power from the people, they go to weaken the power of the people to decide who will be the best person. So the people say, but use their brain. They know they whine them. Because the whining way they whine, now the religion way they bring, now the tribe way they bring, now the zone way they bring. Look for person where they say go feel happy now. And you know why government no dey work? If people don't make government no dey listen to them. That's why the people more insist say the person wey go there now we go put them there. It don't happen before. Edo they no dey carry last. Now for Edo, we dey hear say Edo no dey go Lagos. And they always go on. We dey talk about one station just some days ago. So to be sincere with you, Edo are the most intelligent voter in Nigeria. It's not a lie. If you look at the antecedent of what they've done, even for the 2023 election, now state where people will ballot, many people are saying no. That's why they go. So they cannot allow sentiment override their sense of justice. They cannot override their sense of, because two people they come from the same Panama. For this north, I don't see for one way down at Castina. Two person one contest for senator. Papa, the same mama. They contest APC and PDP. One way. So you know the battle of this, even they come from the same local government, or they come from the same village. But as long as the candidate will come out and I look at well. So this one no go feel mislead us. If they represent us gallantly, if we go occasion, they go listen that we send Peking come. Now make them choose. Make them follow all those Yama team. We just already spoil Nigeria as we do so. We don't do it now. We don't hear say na my turn now. By the time we do so, we know the crow, we know the waka.
But we'll give the administrations.
Now you your own opinion with that. We are the tell you say poverty in this country.
Don't be play. Nobody is smiling.
Poverty in this country.
So what will be your parting words now to Nigeria? Because as I talk to you so, that granite thing see the payment because yesterday when I count, I see the counting. 47 pieces. Right? You want the big man and I love you now to eat granite for Nigeria now. You are big man you won't do now. Things done bad now. That's why what is our parting words? Now we could ask government question. We could know the look face. We could know the person our brother. Because you go leave children behind for Nigeria. And if you leave children behind, if they're weaker than you, that means one day Nigeria will collapse. We no pray make it happen. But if we know they talk, because they tell you citizens advocacy. Now the reason why all the other countries like America and Europe they stand up. You know we go America today. Make you know see people they protest for the right of dog, right of biscuit.
the right of way.
Yeah.
You don't see go Capitol Hill now. When no see person dey shout say this is rep na mad rep, you know, you must not come back. They dey there, they dey shout. Let me say I dey laugh. I don do experiment. I don go sit down dey host people. Somebody go come. You go dey call the rep now as they go. You go dey call him name. You will not come back. We are not going to vote for you again. You go dey call the rep go dey explain. Our own rep here. Nobody go dey explain to. Nobody go dey call. No, some of them no even get constituency office again. They go only call for election because they think say they go fit get their way with money. Make our people dey shame them. Make our people tell them say, son of person wey papa no do anything, person wey papa no get money, sef fit be governor, fit be senator, fit be house of rep. Make them free our election because if the election no dey free, make I no tell you now, our struggle go long, and make God no let this struggle long pass the way e don already long.
This last election, be the thing say INEC after this stage now, the next stage. Wetin we go use phone to take votes. We never reach that level. Oh, they use phone to dey do transfer. They use phone to dey do some kind of filling of form. We no fit use phone dey vote.
Except I will come tell you another day. Election no be like that. Election dey different. Like, you know, I need to because na wetin we don do for a long time. You know, I dey for advocacy for election, and na wetin IPAC bin dey do. And most people no understand say election na be the life of any country. Na im dey give pikin life. Dey born pikin for country. So if we say we go follow wetin no go dey possible, I don ask people make dem tell me one country wey dey do am. You know dey, you know, because election get as e be. Election wetin we get now, if no be for human interference, I go tell you truth. Na one of the perfect policy for election we get, because we get electronic and we get paper trail. Na wetin be say if I fit sit down, I go fit tell Nigerians how deep it is. Wetin we get now na one of the best. All we need is that when the election come, make dem allow the result to dey uploaded. That give us that RF wey dem do. Wala make we give am kudos, but make we return collect the kudos back because they fail for election day. The thing no work. But for the innovation, we suppose clap for them. But for the application of the innovation, we suppose remove that clap or clap until they implement them the way the policy they write them.
Thank you very much, Chief Peter Ame, former national chairman for IPAC, Inter-Party Advisory Council. Let me be the former chairman. Now, you don't tell us some things. We may not even know. Why would they say we use a phone, take votes? You don't tell us more live as be so now. More live like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
But you need to come again for other pressing issues. Since let's go.
Nigeria matter no go tire us.
My church people, my country people, make I come back to now for Benin Network Station. We talk about Benin, yes, more about the election, and it's a make Benin people. They know say now they carry first for thinking matter for election. You understand? They say more make sure say we not fall our hand though. So I leave it for you now. May you continue because I know say now election matter you want to talk about because now the next people you want to do election for our country.